Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park the car, turn the engine off, set the handbrake and center the steering wheel so the shifter sits neutral. Grab a 10 mm socket, a flat pick or small screwdriver, a clean rag and the new Ford Focus knob. If your model has an electronic interlock or nearby airbag wiring, disconnect the negative battery to prevent shorts. Now, remove any trim or rubber boot around the knob by peeling it back, so you can see the retaining clip or screw. Once exposed, identify whether your Focus uses a C-clip, set screw, or threaded adapter. If there's a clip, depress it with a flat pick while pulling the knob straight up. If a screw, loosen with the appropriate driver. For threaded knobs, turn counterclockwise to unthread. Use a rag to improve grip and protect trim. As you remove the knob, note any spacer or adapter orientation. This matters for fit. Inspect the lever top for rust, stripped threads, or leftover adhesive, and clean it with a rag before fitting the new part. To install, align any adapter over the shifter and slide or thread the new knob into place, following the orientation you noted earlier. Secure the clip or tighten the set screw to manufacturer torque, tight but not over tight. Replace the boot and trim so nothing binds. Reconnect the battery if you disconnected it, then sit in the driver's seat and cycle through all gears, including reverse. If you feel binding, excessive play, or hear grinding, stop and recheck alignment and clip engagement. Misalignment or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.